This is the brief on Project Sonic. Okay, so what is Project Sonic? Well, think of it as this super ambitious, really high performance foundational blockchain, a layer one. Its whole goal? To be the absolute fastest network out there that still works smoothly with everything built for Ethereum. That's what EVM-compatible means. Kind of like combining the speed of something like Solana with the familiar world of Ethereum. So, first takeaway, why does Sonic even exist? Basically, its predecessor, Fantom, and other older networks hit a kind of scalability wall. They got bogged down by issues like state bloat, where too much data just slowed everything down. Sonic aims to smash through that, delivering both crazy speed and solid security. Second, the big idea. Imagine building a super fast highway, right? But here's the cool part. All the existing cars, trucks, everything designed for the regular Ethereum roads, they can drive on this new highway too. That's Sonic. They're talking a theoretical peak speed of maybe 400,000 transactions per second, finalized in under a second. Third, how does it actually work? Well, the speed isn't just minor tweaks. It comes from two main things: a specialized Sonic virtual machine, or Sonic VM, that runs the smart contracts way faster, and a custom database called SonicDB that manages all the data really efficiently so the whole thing doesn't get clogged up. Fourth, what's in it for you? Near instant transactions that are incredibly cheap. We're talking like maybe a tenth of a cent on average. And for developers, this is pretty neat. A unique fee monetization program. Creators can actually get back up to 90% of the transaction fees their app generates. That's a pretty big incentive to build there. Fifth takeaway, the risks. Okay, despite the hype, Sonic's got intense competition from giants like Solana and Avalanche, no doubt. Also, the economics of its S token, well, there's no maximum supply. That could create some inflation pressure down the line. And yeah, there's that big gap between the advertised super high speed and what's actually being seen on average right now, which is much lower, around 3 to 7 transactions per second. And finally, let's talk confidence. The team? Pretty stellar. Includes DeFi heavyweight Andre Cronje. And it's pulled in major institutional investors like Galaxy Digital and Hashed. Plus, getting the token fully integrated and listed on Coinbase, that's a huge signal of trust from the big players. So, wrapping it up, Sonic is definitely aiming high. It's an EVM-compatible Layer 1 using its own special tech and some unique money-making incentives for developers to really challenge the leaders in this race for blockchain speed and scale. This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something.
That's right, Sarah. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research so you don't have to.